What's up, you guys? I'm back again, and today I'm here with
BENZ Tech.
Hell yeah. And guess what? We're super excited today. Today we got the foam gun from Adams Polishes. If you don't know what this is, I'm gonna show you. If you wanna have fun washing your car at home, this is the way to do it. So we're gonna go ahead and show you if it's worth it or not. But I can tell you right now, it's gonna be a lot funner than just washing it with the regular hose. I wanna give a big thanks to Adams Polishes for going ahead and sending me this to go ahead and try with my friend right here, BENZ Tech. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and show you what's inside.
When you order the kit, it does come with a bottle of the soap, their brand, Adams Polishes. It seems to work the best with this gun, as they say. The other stuff that comes in it is the water and soap canister. You got the water nozzle that hooks directly to your hose. And you got the lid, which is also, it's got a quick connect on it, which makes it a lot easier to spray.
One thing to note, which is pretty cool, is it does come with these little like connectors. If you can see them right there. What this is for is just pretty much for your soap. It's a different hole size. So the smaller the hole, of course, the less soap will come out. And if you want more soap to come out, you'll see what we're talking about in a little while. If you want more soap to come out, of course, you get the one with a bit of a bigger hole.
The one we're using today is the blue one. It's already put in. Just we want to try to make sure that's the one that we like out of the three. We like it more sudsy than not, so that's the one that we're going to try today.
So just looking at the soap right now, it looks like it might smell good. So just for fun, I'm going to go ahead and smell it. Oh damn, that actually smells pretty good.
Almost like blueberry.
You want to try it out?
I'm
just kidding. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the review. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and show you how to install it onto your regular water hose. This is called a foam gun, not a foam cannon. Alright, so this is how you go ahead and install it.
Just like any other water nozzle, you just put it on your hose, make sure it's nice and tight. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and put the soap in here.
Alright, so it does give you instructions on how much to put. 1 to 2 ounces, and it's pretty cool because on the back of the bottle it does show you the ounces, so that way you know how much you're pouring in. But as far as for us, like he was saying, we like it really sudsy. Can't even pronounce it. Yeah, so we might pour a little more than that just to make it a lot more bubbly, you know what I mean? And just that way we have more fun.
It does say recommended about 1 to 2 ounces, but we're gonna do probably like 4 to 5, just to get a little bit more soapy. I feel like it'd be better. More soap is better. Okay, next thing you gotta do is you gotta fill up the water canister.
This is the water canister that he's talking about. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it with water right now, and that way we prepare it.
Now that we got the water hose connected, you're supposed to fill this up with water. Just be careful you're not splashing yourself. Once that's all filled up, you're supposed to put this on. Make sure the hose is attached or else it will not pick up anything. And you're not cross-threading it like I am.
What a cross-threader.
And then you just attach it to your hose. Make sure it clips on and you're good to go.
Alright, so one thing I do want to note, if anybody knows about these foam guns, there is a difference between a foam gun and a foam cannon. So today we're going to show you what the foam gun does. But as far as a foam cannon, those usually cover your car like a blanket. So you're gonna see the difference today if you guys know about these type of guns and cannons. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the video. Alright, so before washing it, I just wanted to show you guys how dirty this car really is. As you can tell, it's really dirty. Right here, it has water spots. You can tell, pretty stained on there. Let's go ahead and show you the rims. Really black. Alright, let's go ahead and show you the roof.
Alright, and today, since the car is really dirty, we're going to be using the 2-bucket method. One, after you wipe the car, you're going to put your rag in there to make it nice and clean, so that way all the dirt stays in that bucket. And then this one's the soap, just to make sure that it's all nice and clean. Again, that you're getting a little bit more soap on the car. Make sure you're not scratching it all up. Alright, let's get started.
As you can tell, it is pretty sudsy. There is actually a lot of soap on here. And the good thing about foam guns and foam cannons. This is one way to prevent a lot of swirl marks and scratches onto your car when you are washing it. This acts as kind of not necessarily a degreaser, but it does help remove a lot of the dirt. So one thing you can do is pre-rinse it with just water first, and then after you go ahead and use the foam gun. And this is pretty much the results. Let's get you up close and personal. As you can tell, it does look pretty good. It does cover the car pretty good. So now we're gonna go ahead and just give it a light touch with the wash mitt. So the good thing about this, you then don't have to really do too much roughness with your wash mitt. You just kind of give it a quick pass. So one thing to note, you never really want to wash your car in direct sunlight, because it will dry out, you know, the soap will dry out onto your car, and that's probably not a good thing. But yeah, once you're done soaping it down and all that, and let me say it before I even say this, wasn't that like a fun process to watch? Well, if you had fun watching this, we had fun doing it. This is actually pretty fun. It makes it funner washing your car than just with the regular water hose. Alright, so now that being said, once you've put the soap on and everything and you're going to get ready to rinse it off with just water, it's pretty cool because you just pull this back and the cannon comes off. So now you can use this as a regular water hose and just rinse it off. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the finished product after using the Adams Polishes foam gun. Alright, so let me start off by showing you the front piece like I showed you from the beginning. As you can tell, nice and clean. If you can see some of the swirls, that's from not using this foam gun like I was telling you. I showed you guys this chrome piece right here. Alright, so check this out. Where's the little water spots? Where's the little water spots that I had showed you? Well, they're all gone now. Remember I put my finger through it and they would not want to come off with just my finger. Well, check it out, nice and shiny now. Alright, let's see the rest of the car. Alright, so that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. Once again, the foam gun from Adams Polishes. A big thank you to them because they did go ahead and send me this product to go ahead and try out. So yeah, I mean, if you're an average user like we are just at home and you want to spice things up, you know, with washing your car, you could definitely get one of these, and I would recommend it for the price. What do you think?
I do think the same. The soap, I found it works really well. It smells good too. It doesn't smell nasty. One of my favorite things is the quick release for this foam cannon. It makes it life so much easier with coming on and off instead of having to stop, take this off, put a different nozzle on, and keep on going. So I think for an average user like us, I think it's a wonderful product. I would definitely be buying one myself because this is his product, not mine. And then I'm gonna be using this from now on.
Yeah. And I mean, there are, like I said, the foam cannons. So if you do want that blanket look, but that's, like I said, that's maybe more for professionals, you could go ahead and buy those. But as far as for us, we're gonna go ahead and stick with this foam gun from Adams Polishes. I will make sure to link this product down below. And for the price that this is, like I said, it is a starter kit, the one that I received. So for the price that it is, it's not bad. So go ahead and check it out, you guys. Go ahead and purchase yours, and I would definitely recommend this. So once again, this is BENZ Tech. I will also link his channel down below. So go hit him up with some subscribers, you know. Go show him some love. It's my good friend.
I will be trying to upload this video as well like this. It's not going to be as well detailed as Jesse's. Mine's just going to be a quick, simple little thing. But if you want to watch the whole thing, just stay on his channel. Mine, show me some love. That's all I got.
Alright, so I do want to also explain kind of his channel. His name is BENZ Tech on YouTube, so go ahead, like I said, check him out. He does, if you have a Mercedes-Benz, his channel will definitely help you out a lot. He can answer all your questions about cars and about like mechanic-wise, you know, like technician-wise stuff. So if you have any questions, go hit him up. Yeah.
Yeah, anytime you got a question, just shoot it to me. I get back to you rather quick because my channel's not that big. So all the comments I get to rather within the next 10 minutes usually. So if you got any questions, just hit me up and then we'll get it all taken care of.
Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.